In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize documents in Google Drive using Google Docs. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves keeping things tidy, having an organized digital workspace can make a world of difference. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide to streamline your document management in Google Drive. To begin, you'll need to access Google Drive. If you're not already familiar, Google Drive is an online storage service, perfect for saving all sorts of files, from documents to spreadsheets and more. So let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Once there, simply search for Google Drive, or type in the URL to head over to the Google Drive sign-in page. Now, as you arrive on the Google Drive homepage, you'll see an option to click on Google Drive. If you're already logged into your Google account, great. If not, take a moment to sign in by clicking on your Google account from the list of accounts available or by entering your credentials. This login will take you to your main Google Drive interface where you'll see all the files you've stored. Once you're in, look towards the top left of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled New. Clicking on this opens up a drop-down menu. Here you'll see multiple options for creating new files or folders. For organizing purposes, focus on the option that says New Folder. Clicking this will prompt you to give your new folder a name. Choose something descriptive, especially if you're planning to store a specific type of document. Once you've entered a name, hit Create. And just like that, your new folder is ready to store your documents. Now let's move your documents into this new folder. Head back to your main Drive screen where your files are listed. To move them, click and drag each document you want to organize, dropping them into your freshly created folder. If you have multiple documents, you can select them by holding down the Control key or Command key on a Mac while clicking on each file. This handy trick allows for batch selection, making the process much quicker if you have numerous documents to organize. Congratulations! You've just taken a big step towards a more organized digital life. By creating a dedicated folder and neatly storing your documents, you'll find navigating through your files smoother and less stressful. With everything in its place, you've not only made your digital